It's time to get down to business. Now we're talking revenue models. When you're ready to start your business and actually take it to market, it can get a little bit overwhelming trying to figure out what your revenue model needs to be. Now look, there are a lot of different ways to make money. And depending on the type of business you are in, different types of models are going to apply to you. But here are some fundamental basic frameworks for you to think about. So the first one is the subscription base, or what we call SaaS. This is where users pay a monthly fee to use your service or even your marketplace, for example, Netflix or Spotify. The benefit of this model is that once you've acquired the customer and they are satisfied with the service you offer, they are now going to be a source of revenue for a very long time, which is typically what we call the lifetime value. So this typically means much higher revenue potential. Now the other is fee-based. This is where a customer pays a one-time fee to purchase your product. Think about eBay or Amazon. This typically gets you an opportunity to lower your cost because you're really only facilitating that one purchase. But again, keep in mind, the cost of acquisition of the customer should justify what you get from the value of that purchase. And the third one is commission-based. So this typically means that when a transaction happens on your platform, for example, Etsy, you get a certain percentage of that transaction. The benefit here is that you can acquire a lot of sellers onto your platform because you don't have any recurring fees and they only have to pay you a certain amount if they make a sale. However, the flip side is if there are no sales happening on your site, you make no money. And traditionally, any of these models apply, whether it's B2B or D2C. Now, just to clarify, B2B is basically business to business. This includes obviously enterprise, but also includes small businesses. D2C is direct to consumer. So think about where a customer comes in and directly works with the company, Squarespace, Shopify, and so on. And like I mentioned, B2B or D2C doesn't actually determine what your revenue model needs to be. It could really be a variety of different things. It could also be a mix of subscription, commission, and so on. So think about how you will get to profitability, how many customers you need, what they're willing to pay, and work a few different models so the unit economics make sense for your business.